This is a video for B cohort students, and it's either Monday or Tuesday, depending on which day you have class and which hour you're in. So I just wanted to briefly go over what you need to do today. So if you are on the agenda here, which I have on my screen, so what you're going to do today is as follows. You will watch this video. I'll link it here when I'm done recording. You are going to do paragraph 2 in the essay organizer, which I will talk more about in a second. Then you are going to write body paragraph 2 into your essay document. So that's just what we did last week. So you're copying and pasting it into your essay document. And you need to finish all of this by your next day of class by Thursday and Friday. Just for a little preview, on Thursday or Friday, depending on what class you're in again, we are going to do paragraph 3 and the conclusion and put that all in the essay document. I really would love if you do not work too much ahead. It's okay if you get started a little bit on body paragraph number 3 or the conclusion, but please don't work too far ahead, because I have found that those of you who are working ahead actually are creating more work for yourself because you are doing things incorrectly. So please wait for me. We'll have tons of time in class to do paragraph 3 and the conclusion. But please just do paragraph 2 today. I will be checking, if you look on Wednesday, it's in green, I will be checking your essay progress on Wednesday and reaching out to you if you are behind. If you are super behind, I'm probably going to reach out to parents and you together in a joint email. If not, I will send you an email or Schoology message. But you really have got to be caught up here. This essay needs to be pretty polished, put together. You need to get caught up, especially if you are all online right now. If you're like quarantined or something, please stay caught up with this. So again, today you are going to take your essay organizer. Remember, it looks like this. Feel free to watch this video here at the top for body paragraph 2 if you need to. But you are going to do body paragraph 2 today. So this is my example. So look at my example if you need it, but everything is the same except you have a new topic. So you have relationships, and your first half of the paragraph is about family, and your second half is about other relationships. So same structure, the exact same way as paragraph 1 we did in class last week, but with the new topic. Then once you're done typing everything in, turning everything blue, making sure everything looks good here, you're going to go back over to your essay document, which should look like this from last week, and you are going to add paragraph 2. So you'll just space, tab, or press the space bar a bunch, and you will copy and paste your third body paragraph here. So that's what you need to have accomplished by the time you get to class on Thursday or Friday. If you have any questions, please let me know. And again, I'm checking Wednesday. Be caught up, else your parents might hear from me. And please do not work too far ahead and risk doing things incorrectly. See you later in the week.